Guess what I'm cooking today? Ackee and saltfish. It's your girl Kiissi once more with another awesome video, so stay tuned. I have my saltfish boiling. I boiled it one time already and I'm gonna boil it again because you know saltfish is very salty. And over here I have my pot to put my dumpling, my yam, my banana and my sweet potato. So you can see my saltfish is boiled, so I'm gonna throw off the water and then pick it. Guys, as you can see, I have my season ready for my ackee and my saltfish. So I have some sweet peppers, red, green and orange. I have some scallions, some onions and some thyme and some scotch bonnet pepper. Over here, as you can see, I already picked my saltfish, as you can see. And over here I have my food. I have some dumplings, some yellow yams, some bananas and some sweet potato. So I'm gonna get down to business right now. I'm gonna get down to business to fry up my seasoning and prepare my ackee and my saltfish. So as you can see, I have some oil in the pot already. So I'm gonna saute everything together. It's so colorful and nice. The only thing is missing from here is tomato. I didn't have any tomato. Okay guys, as you can see, I opened my ackee and I strained it up. So now I'm going to pour some hot water over the ackee. Let it drain. So as I said, I didn't have any tomato, so I'm going to put a little ketchup. Works out the same. So now I'm going to put in the saltfish. I'm going to put a dash of black pepper over the saltfish. So now I'm going to add my ackee in. Okay, I'm gonna add my ackees. I'm gonna add some black pepper over on the ackee. Not too much, because you know black pepper is a really good flavor, no? I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. So now guys, I'm gonna use a fork and fold it in. Okay, you don't want it to be smushy like you're eating scrambled egg now. Wow, look at that. So, look at that guys. So it's finished. I'm going to plate it and let you guys see the finishing product of my ackee and saltfish. As you all know, ackee and saltfish is Jamaican national dish. Guys, so that's the finished product of my ackee and my saltfish. Look at that. So you all know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button and tell a girl what you think about her ackee and saltfish. Bye guys, until next time, I'm out.